Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to load color palette from image in Blender. So if you want to do it, you need to change position of your cursor to the left down corner, and then you need to press and hold left mouse button. After that you will be able to create a new window. So maybe I will create a new window with this dimension. Now we need to change some settings on this window, so I go to the left upper corner and I click on editor type. Now you need to select here image editor, so I select this one option. Of course you can use shortcut from your keyboard, Shift F10 if you want. Okay, and now I go to icon with directory, I click on open image, and you need to find an image that you want to load. So for example I will select this one image and then I click open image. Now I will zoom it out. Okay, now we need to go to image and click on extract palette. After that we need to go to the right side window and change mode from object mode to vertex paint. Then we need to go to special settings. Here we have tool, active tool and workspace settings. We need to open this one option. Now we need to scroll down and open color palette. Then we click on this one icon, browse palette data to be linked, and we need to select here name of our image. So I select this one image, and here you have color palette of your image. I think it may be really useful if you would like to create an object based on photo. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.